This is one of my favorite spices in the world, and if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I absolutely love turmeric. In today's video, we're going to talk about the healing power of turmeric. We'll also go over how to use it each day for maximum benefit. Turmeric is an amazing spice with incredible healing benefits. It has been used for thousands of years, and still today is one of the most popular spices in the world. But why is it so popular? Well, because it has some pretty powerful health benefits. Turmeric is a tuber that grows underground, very similar to ginger. In fact, turmeric and ginger often grow in the same area, and they are related. Turmeric is in the same family as gingers. The active compound in turmeric is called curcumin, is what gives turmeric its yellow color. And this is also what is responsible for all the amazing health benefits. So whenever you see turmeric that doesn't have this yellow color, chances are it's not real turmeric or it's been adulterated somehow. Now, turmeric on its own is not very bioavailable, meaning your body has a hard time absorbing it. This is why you always hear turmeric mentioned with black pepper or something else that helps your body absorb it better. So in order to maximize the benefits of turmeric, you need to make sure you add something that makes it more bio. So usually, you LLC recipes that call for turmeric and black pepper together. Or sometimes you LLC turmeric with some kind of fat like coconut oil or olive oil, things like that. And we'll get into how to use turmeric later in the video, but just want to start off by talking about the benefits. So turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also a powerful antioxidant. Because of this, it can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout your body. And it's also great for reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. When there's too much free radical damage, it can lead to all sorts of health problems. So, having a good amount of antioxidants in your body helps fight off these free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. And turmeric is a really powerful antioxidant. So it helps your body get rid of those free radicals, reduce inflammation, and reduce pain. Turmeric is also known to be antibacterial, antiviral, and so it's great at fighting off pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Also, turmeric helps reduce insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is at the heart of most health problems today, including obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, high triglycerides, high LDL, low HDL, high uric acid, gout, fatty liver disease, sleep apnea, and even cancer. Unfortunately, most people don't even realize they have insulin resistance because it's usually asymptomatic. You don't usually feel anything, but it's very common, and it's behind most chronic diseases today. So, because turmeric helps reduce insulin resistance, it helps prevent and treat all sorts of chronic conditions that I just mentioned. Turmeric also helps lower your risk of cancer. A lot of studies have shown that curcumin inhibits the growth of cancer cells and promotes the death of cancer cells. Another thing that curcumin does is it prevents the formation of new blood vessels that supply blood to cancer cells. Blocking the growth of new blood vessels that feed the cancer is a really good way to starve off cancer cells. So because of all these powerful effects, turmeric is a great spice to add to your diet. Now, I want to mention a couple studies. There was a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food that showed that turmeric could improve symptoms of depression. They did a double-blind randomized trial where they gave turmeric extract to participants who had major depressive disorder. They found that turmeric significantly improved the symptoms of depression. Another study published in the Journal of Oncology showed that curcumin inhibited the growth of cancer cells. In this study, they looked at patients with colorectal cancer. They found that curcumin suppressed tumor growth in these patients. So, these are just two examples of studies that show the powerful effects of turmeric, but there are many more studies out there that show similar results. So now, let's talk about how to use turmeric. Like I said earlier, turmeric on its own is not very bioavailable. However, if you add something like black pepper or a fat like coconut oil, it increases the bioavailability dramatically. One way to get turmeric into your body is to simply add turmeric and black pepper to your food. So you can do this in many different ways. You could sprinkle it on top of your food. You could mix it into a smoothie. You could make golden milk. Golden milk is a traditional Indian recipe that's made with turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. It's mixed with milk and it's heated up. It's a great way to get turmeric into your diet. Or you can take supplements. There are a lot of turmeric supplements out there, but I would recommend ones that already have black pepper or some kind of fat in them. If you look at the ingredients, you should see turmeric, black pepper, and some kind of fat. That way, you don't have to worry about it being absorbed. I will say though, if you're going to take a supplement, I would rather you just use real turmeric and add black pepper or fat yourself. Supplements are convenient, but sometimes they are not as fresh, and they may not be as effective as using the real thing. But if you someone who doesn't like the taste of turmeric, or you just cooey and get it, then supplements are a great alternative. If you want to learn about golden milk and how to make it, I actually have a video right here where I show you how to make it. It's really simple, and it's a great way to get turmeric into your diet. Just click right here to check that video out. Now, while turmeric is generally safe for most people, there are a few exceptions. People who have gallbladder issues should avoid turmeric. Also, if you're taking blood-thinning medication, you should probably avoid turmeric as well. Turmeric can thin the blood, and you don't want your blood to be too thin if you're already taking medication for that. And finally, pregnant women should also avoid turmeric. If you fall into any of these categories, you should definitely talk to your doctor before adding turmeric to your diet. For everyone else, you should be fine. If you're not pregnant, you don't have gallbladder issues, and you're not taking blood-thinning medication, you should be fine adding turmeric to your diet. I usually have turmeric every single day, either in my food or in a supplement. I usually add it to my smoothies, or I put it in my food. It's a really easy way to add some really powerful healing properties to your food. And like I said, it has anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties, antiviral properties, antifungal properties. So it's a really good way to stay healthy. Turmeric is a golden-colored spice that has been used for over 4,000 years in India for its medicinal purposes. Turmeric comes from the turmeric plant and belongs to the ginger family. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin. Has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help in fighting free radicals in our body and reducing inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of most of the chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, arthritis, depression, and many other conditions. So if we can control inflammation, we can keep these diseases away. Now, let's talk about the benefits of turmeric. There are endless advantages of using turmeric. Some of them are reduction of joint pains and swelling, good for heart health, fights different types of cancers, lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease, improves liver function, helps fight depression, reduces menstrual cramps, and much more. If you want to take advantage of these benefits, then it is very important to use turmeric correctly. Just by adding turmeric in your food, or just by drinking turmeric milk is not going to give you desired results, because it should be consumed in its active form. In order to make turmeric active, you need to add certain ingredients which will enhance the bioavailability of curcumin. This means that when we add these ingredients, it will help our body to absorb curcumin better and get all the benefits. Otherwise, if we consume turmeric without these ingredients, then it will not give us any result. And that's the reason why most of the people don't get results when they try turmeric. So what are these ingredients that will help in making turmeric active? First one is black pepper. The piperine compound in black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin up to 2,000 times. So this is a very important ingredient which should be added while consuming turmeric. Second ingredient which enhances the bioavailability of curcumin is olive oil. Consuming turmeric with olive oil increases the absorption up to 2,000 times. The reason is the antioxidants present in olive oil prevents the breakdown of curcumin in the digestive system. So, whenever you are consuming turmeric, make sure you are adding a little bit of black pepper and olive oil. Either you can add black pepper, powder, and olive oil in your milk, or you can just consume turmeric with any of the meal of the day. You don't have to worry about quantity. Just half a teaspoonful of turmeric powder per day is enough. Turmeric tea. It is very beneficial to start your day with turmeric tea. Let me share the recipe of golden milk or turmeric milk. 5 teg, 1 cup milk, add 1 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder. Heat all these ingredients on medium flame while continuously stirring. When the milk starts boiling, turn off the gas and drink it. Whenever you feel tired throughout the day, you can also have another cup of turmeric milk. Second, turmeric water. If you don't like turmeric milk, or if you are following raw food diet, then you can consume turmeric water. For that, take 1 glass water, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well and drink it. You can have it any time during the day. Third, turmeric in your meals. You can add turmeric in almost every meal of the day, whether it is breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Turmeric goes well with almost every dish. If you are a vegetarian, you can add turmeric while making salads, stir-fries, curries, steamed vegetables, lentil soups, etc. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can add turmeric while marinating chicken or fish or while cooking meat dishes, grilled vegetables, salads, etc. I will share some recipes so you can try at home. Fourth, Turmeric face mask. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it great for your skin. It even protects your skin from acne breakouts. You can make a face mask with turmeric and apply on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. You can wash it later with a mild cleanser. Always do a patch test before applying anything on your face. 5th, turmeric soap. You can make turmeric soap at home by using coconut oil and turmeric powder. I will share the recipe later in this video. Just by using turmeric soap, you are getting the benefits of turmeric on your skin. 6th, turmeric essential oil. A lot of companies are now producing turmeric essential oil by using modern technology. You can use this essential oil in your diffuser to get its benefits. This essential oil is having the same healing properties as turmeric powder. 7th, turmeric capsules. Many companies are now selling turmeric capsules. These capsules don't have any side effects, so if you are too busy and if you do find time to add turmeric in your daily routine, then you can go for turmeric capsules. Make sure that the brand you are buying is pure and does not have any additives or preservatives in it. Now, let's see how you can make turmeric at home. First, turmeric milk. 2. Turmeric milk. Take 1 glass milk, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder. Heat all these ingredients on medium flame while continuously stirring. When the milk starts boiling, turn off the gas and drink it. Second, turmeric water. Take 1 glass water, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well and drink it. Third, turmeric face mask. Turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon cream, or 1 tablespoon aloe vera pulp. Mix all the ingredients to form a paste. Apply this paste on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it later with a mild cleanser. 4th, turmeric soap. Tink 5 hydroxide. Keep stirring and slowly add 1/4 cup turmeric powder. Keep stirring until it cools down and the mixture hardens. Your turmeric soap is ready. 5th, turmeric rice. Take 1 cup rice, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ghee or olive oil. Mix well. Cover it and cook it on a medium flame. Your turmeric rice is ready. You can have it as a side dish with your lunch or dinner. 6. Turmeric vegetable. Tink 5. Take 2 cups, chopped vegetables, add 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix all the ingredients and cook it on a medium flame. Your turmeric vegetable is ready. You can have it as a side dish with your lunch or dinner. 7th. Turmeric dal. Take 1 cup washed and soaked lentils. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ghee or olive oil, salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients and cook it on a medium flame. Your turmeric dal is ready. You can have it as a part of your lunch or dinner. Some important points to remember about turmeric. It is safe for most of the people to consume turmeric on a regular basis. But pregnant ladies, breastfeeding mothers, and people with liver problems should avoid consuming turmeric. People who are allergic to plants in the ginger family should avoid consuming turmeric. Always consult your doctor before adding turmeric in your daily routine. Don't ever consume raw. It should always be consumed either in its powder form or in the form of turmeric milk, turmeric tea, or any other recipe that I've shared in this video. Don't expect overnight results. It takes time to show its effect. Be patient and consistent while using turmeric. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts regarding turmeric, then please ask me in the comments section below. I will reply you back. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Stay healthy, stay fit. See you soon with my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.